welcome to our CATIA tutorials. And today we are going to make an assembly. We are going to for the assembly part. So welcome into this product. It is already in assembly. So here we have few commands for the assembly purpose. We can also control and enter to AWSC. Okay, when you search it won't come. Or product, it is already in product, so no need to go anywhere, it is already here. So we have these commands: components, product, part. Okay, so here we will add a part existing component with positioning. Here it will open to the part window. Okay, this is always insert an existing component where in the product one is open. I have already made some of the parts for the V block assembly. I'm opening its body that is placed, and I will fix this as it is the base. And OK. Now another part from the same folder. This it is here. Now I will just move it. How to move? Here we have components for assembly. Okay, here it is a move, manipulate. And Z axis I will move it up. Now along Z axis I will revolve it. Again in Z axis I will rotate, move it up. Now in X axis I will move it here with respect to constraint. Okay. Now we will have to apply some constraints. First I will apply mating constraint. I will mate this surface with this surface. And again move to isometric. Again mating surface. This surface with this one and update. It is placed at its place. Now I will hide these two, right, and hide also this one, hide, make it visible. Now I will add the fastener here which is required. For that also existing component, product, fastener. Okay. And okay, here we have concentric command which will make this concentric with this line, with this axis. Upgrade. Now I need to move it a little up. Okay, and one more concentric command for this and this. And now update. Okay, this is how it is made. You can add distance like offset of this face, width, need to rotate a little bit more with this surface. 7 and enter. Upgrade. You can see it is just 7 above it. Like this you can make it constraint. And here also you can give that offset command from here to here. Let it be 15 and OK. Now upgrade. Now this distance would be 15. You can fix it. This was our V block assembly. And in assembly we have these commands: concentric for the circles. This is mating command, constant constraint to make two surfaces face to face together, and this is for offset, and this is angle one. If you want to make an angle, and angle is to make it something fixed, it won't move. Now you can see it is done. From move command you can move components accordingly, and here we have explode. Like this it will explode everything. Now control Z, come, it will come together. So that's all for today. We will meet in another video.